start our course on LS-DYNA, production to LS-DYNA. This is a basically solver, so we can use for a variety kind of problems. Basically, mostly in industry, like it is using for implicit and explicit analysis. But if you want to save do other kind of problem also, we can do it. We have to do little things while doing it. So the solver will solve that kind of problems also. So we'll start with the first chapter, introduction to LS-DYNA. So this software basically LS-DYNA is the company Livermore Software Technology Corporation who built the software earlier. Okay, it was a package from there. Okay, so now it is acquired by Ansys in 2019. Now it's a package of Ansys basically. So while the package continues to contain more and more possibility for calculation of many complex real-world problems, its origin and core competency lie in high nonlinear transient dynamic finite analysis using explicit time integrations. So basically, mostly what we are doing, we are calculating the results in time interval as well. That is the benefit of the software that we used to able to give the defined time interval. We can define that end time and all that we can define while the simulation. Okay. So the LS-DYNA is suitable to investigate phenomena involving large deformation, sophisticated material models, and complex contact conditions for structural and dynamic problems. So LS-DYNA allows switching between explicit and different implicit time stepping schemes also. Okay, so if we're doing explicit analysis and I want to see that implicit results also, so there's little changes we have to do after doing explicit. We can also get the implicit results also if you want to check it. So what kind of industries are using this, automobile, aerospace, construction, even engineering, civil engineering, military, manufacturing, bioengineering industries. So that kind of industry are using this product, LS-DYNA.